Exercises you can do to improve your health. Welcome to our guide on exercises to improve your health. Regular physical activity is essential for maintaining overall health and well-being. In this video, we'll explore a variety of exercises that can help you boost your fitness levels, improve your mood, and enhance your quality of life. From cardiovascular workouts to strength training and flexibility exercises, we'll cover a range of activities suitable for people of all ages and fitness levels. Join us as we delve into the world of exercise and its numerous benefits for your health and vitality. Number 1. Cardiovascular exercise. At number 1, cardiovascular exercise is crucial for improving heart health and overall fitness. Activities such as walking, running, cycling, and swimming elevate your heart rate and increase circulation, leading to a stronger cardiovascular system. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate-intensity cardio each week to reap the benefits of improved endurance, reduced risk of heart disease, and enhanced overall well-being. Number 2. Strength training. At number 2, strength training is essential for building muscle strength and improving bone density. Whether you're lifting weights or doing bodyweight exercises like push-ups and squats, strength training helps increase muscle mass and improve metabolism. Aim to incorporate strength training exercises into your routine at least 2 days a week, targeting major muscle groups like legs, arms, back, and core. By regularly challenging your muscles, you'll not only improve your physical strength, but also reduce the risk of injury and enhance overall functional abilities. Number 3. Flexibility and balance. At number 3, flexibility and balance exercises such as yoga and tai chi are vital for enhancing mobility, stability, and overall well-being. These activities focus on stretching muscles and improving joint range of motion, promoting better posture and reducing the risk of injuries. Incorporating flexibility and balance exercises into your routine can also help alleviate muscle tension, enhance relaxation, and improve mental focus. By practicing these exercises regularly, you'll not only increase your physical flexibility, but also enhance your balance and coordination for better overall functional fitness. Number 4. Functional training. At number 4, functional training emphasizes movements that mimic everyday activities such as squats, lunges, and pushing and pulling motions. These exercises focus on improving strength, balance, and coordination to enhance your ability to perform daily tasks with ease and efficiency. Functional training targets multiple muscle groups simultaneously, helping to improve overall functional fitness and reduce the risk of injuries during everyday activities. By incorporating functional exercises into your workout routine, you'll not only build strength and endurance, but also improve your overall quality of life. Number 5. Aerobic exercise. At number 5, aerobic exercise, also known as cardio, includes activities like dancing, aerobics classes, or playing sports. These exercises elevate your heart rate and increase oxygen flow throughout your body, improving cardiovascular fitness and endurance. Engaging in regular aerobic exercise helps strengthen your heart, lungs, and muscles, while also burning calories and promoting overall health and well-being. Number 6. High-intensity interval training, HIIT. At number 6, high-intensity interval training, HIIT, involves alternating between short bursts of intense exercise and brief periods of rest or low-intensity activity. This form of exercise is highly effective for improving cardiovascular fitness, burning calories, and boosting metabolism. HIIT workouts can be tailored to individual fitness levels and preferences, making them suitable for people of all ages and fitness levels. Incorporating HIIT into your routine can help you achieve maximum results in less time, making it a convenient and efficient way to improve your overall health and fitness. Number 7. Low-impact exercise. At number 7, low-impact exercises such as swimming, cycling, or using an elliptical machine provide a gentler alternative to high-impact activities while still offering numerous health benefits. These exercises are easy on the joints, making them ideal for individuals with joint pain, arthritis, or mobility issues. By engaging in low-impact exercises, you can improve cardiovascular health, strengthen muscles, and burn calories without putting excessive stress on your joints, allowing you to enjoy a safe and effective workout. Number 8. Outdoor activities. At number 8, outdoor activities such as hiking, gardening, or playing sports offer the opportunity to exercise while enjoying nature and fresh air. Engaging in outdoor activities can provide physical and mental health benefits, including stress reduction, improved mood, and increased vitamin D absorption from sunlight. Whether it's exploring hiking trails, tending to a garden, or playing a game of soccer with friends, outdoor activities offer a fun and invigorating way to stay active and enhance overall well-being. Number 9. Group exercise classes. At number 9, group exercise classes such as Zumba, spinning, or boot camp offer a motivating and social way to stay active. Exercising in a group setting provides accountability, support, and camaraderie, encouraging you to push yourself harder and stay committed to your fitness goals. Whether you're dancing to the beat, pedaling to the rhythm, or tackling a challenging circuit, group exercise classes provide a fun and energizing workout experience for people of all fitness levels. Number 10. Consistency. At number 10, consistency is key to achieving and maintaining your fitness goals. By sticking to a regular exercise routine, you can build strength, improve endurance, and enhance overall health over time. Whether it's scheduling workouts into your weekly calendar, finding activities you enjoy, or seeking support from friends or a personal trainer, consistency is essential for long-term success in your fitness journey. As we conclude our exploration of exercises to improve your health, remember that regular physical activity is essential for overall well-being. By incorporating a variety of exercises into your routine, including cardiovascular, strength training, flexibility, and balance exercises, you can boost your fitness levels and enhance your quality of life. Whether it's going for a run, hitting the gym, or practicing yoga, find activities that you enjoy and make them a regular part of your lifestyle. Here's to prioritizing exercise and reaping the countless benefits it offers for your health and vitality. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, join our community by subscribing, liking, and following us. See you in the next video.